Hey, real quickie today, SLK R170 mirror replacement. This is going to be the exact same for the W208 or the CLK. They use the exact same mirror housing, but depending on the model, different mirror glass and different mirror motors. And I'll tell you what the difference is in a second. This car, one of the reasons I got it so cheap was the mirror was broken and the mirror motor inside was broken. The little backing plate that hooks on the back of the mirror was broken off. Someone had tried to pop it out, and the motor was the piece on the motor here was broken as well. So I just happened to have some extra parts around the garage, so I used those and put a new face plate on there, lubed it up, and it's ready to go back in. And it's just 3 bolts to take out. There's a little hole here. 3 bolts here, and but the one thing you do need to know is if you're going to get a replacement mirror from a junkyard or order one, they're not all the same. If you order a mirror glass, make sure you know if they're all going to be heated, they're all going to be power, but they're not all going to be auto dimming, which means there's going to be 2 extra wires going into it. And they don't all, if your car has power seats with a memory function, then there's going to be 5 wires. See this little 3-wire connector that goes into the 3-wire plug here. If you have the car, I don't have one with me. I have one in the garage somewhere. If you have a car with power seats with memory on the mirrors, with memory on the seats, then there's going to be 5 wires going in there, and the motor will be different. And left and right are different. So now that I've got this put back together, I simply need to plug it in. Bolted on, and there's 3 little Torx T10 screws. Top. Okay, come on. Yeah, this is a bit fiddly. Of course, it's freezing out again. Getting the first one is always the bitch, because then you can line the other two up. So anyway, I'm going to put these 3 screws. There's 3 holes to go straight through with your screwdriver and bolt the 3 Torx screws in, and I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, so I've got the 3 screws bolted in. I'm going to push down. You might have seen the W202 video. It's very similar. Down on the bottom, pull out. If you're ever going to do any of this, lube the ball sockets here. 1, 2, 3. Lube those up so they don't get stuck. Take your mirror. Take the clip on top. That's where it's going to sit when it's done, when it's pushed on. And just pull it up over top of this little notch here. Then you're going to slide the bottom into these little grooves from underneath. So you're going to stick it down, pull up, and then slide it over the top. And then take your screwdriver and... Oh, wait a minute. One of my wires came unplugged in the back. Damn it. Okay, start that over again. Center in, pull up, pop clip on, and done. Thanks for watching. Okay, I went in the garage and found the other one, and this is one of the, it looks very similar. You see there's a little screw in the middle, so it's a little bit different. The mounts, the little pivot mounts here, that go into the 2 actuators. The 2 actuators are a little bit different. And the plug is a 7-wire. I thought it was 5, but it's 7. And that controls the memory function. So if you're going to the wrecking yard, again, make sure the car you're getting one off of is the same as yours. If it has memory function on the mirrors that go with the power seats, you're going to need one with the 7 wires. If you need one that doesn't have that, then you need the 3 wire. I don't think any of the SLKs had memory function on the seats, even with power seats. Or sorry, memory function on the mirrors, even with power seats. So, yeah, thanks for watching. This is, again, the same mirror for the CLK and the SLK. They use the same mirror, same housing, but at times different motors and different mirror class. Thanks for watching.